Snapchat video sound not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Here, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings button on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under My Account, tap on the Notifications option. In here, make sure that notifications are toggled on and now go back and launch the Settings application on your device. Here, scroll down to the bottom until you see the option for Snapchat and tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, make sure the toggle button for all the in-app permissions are toggled on, especially microphone. Next, see if your iPhone is in silent mode, as many a times when your iPhone is in silent mode, videos sound do not play initially. Also, slide down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the control center. See if your volume is set too low, and if yes, then go ahead and set it to a proper level so that the audios and videos playing on your device are audible. So this is how you can fix Snapchat video sound not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.